my hair once with it, but the camera was flipped. Now from the top, yeah, you with some wet. Now from the top, that's some wet. And on my, that's some wet. I'm talking rock, that's some. And I just want to keep everything uniform. So I'm going to quickly show you guys again what a second wash will look like. But I love the shampoo. I love it. It has some really good ingredients in it. And of course, you know, we love a lather. We love a lather, which it does. It does not take a lot to get a lather either. But with this, it's good to go. It's good to go. So yeah, let me quickly show you guys me washing my hair again with the new Melanin. Like, I barely did anything. Look at it. Already lathering up. Yeah, I'm like getting suds everywhere. This stuff does not play with the lather. The lather is there, okay? Can't get too close. Shampooed twice, no products. Curls are looking so juicy. Like I really feel like it clarified my hair, if that makes sense. Like, you know, when you touch your hair and you can feel product when you know what I mean. There is nothing in my hair. It cleared everything out. So that is something I definitely love in shampoos. Does it say this is a clarifying shampoo? Designed to cleanse your hair and scalp without stripping away beneficial oils. So you are left with hydrated, bouncy, I'd say bouncy, defined, yep, that's there, defined hair. So I think it's doing what it says it's gonna do. Melanin Haircare, wash and go, no gel, no other brands, just straight Melanin Haircare. You guys asked for it, so here it is. You know I like gels with my wash and go, so we'll see if I like this no gel wash and go. I don't think I've tried a no gel wash and go. I've tried a soft hold wash and go, but I have not tried a no gel wash and go. So now I'm gonna go in with the Melanin leave-in, and then I'm gonna go in with the Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream, and then I'm gonna seal all of that in with the Melanin Multi Pure Oil Blend. Now, the back of my hair, I'm not too worried about because that section the curls always form really quickly, especially like here, right in the middle. It's the middle and front area that's gonna give me some problems. But So yeah, I put in the leave-in, alright? And so now I'm going to add the style cream. And a little bit of the style cream. Well, not a little, a lot of it. Okay. So we got that in there. I think that looks. Seal all of that in. Alright, and then I'm gonna go on to the next section. I'm going to squeeze. Alright, so I am done for now. I'm going to let this air dry. I don't know, I'm hopeful. I'm liking the way my curls look, that they are now that it's done, but I'm not sure how it will look once it starts to dry. Will there be frizz? I think I am gonna try to band it once it's dry before I put my bonnet on for tonight, just so that it can kind of stay at this length. I know it's going to shrink up as it dries. I just know, I just can see it up here. So yeah, I definitely want it to stay around this length, but yeah, I will see you guys once it's dry. All right, we are back. It is the next day after styling. I ended up banding my hair. It wasn't completely dry. I took 6 of my stretchy fabric scrunchies like this, and I just banded my hair into 6 sections just to, you know, keep it stretched. And I'm liking the length that I got. I feel like if I just would have did my regular nighttime routine where I just put like it in little like 4 or 5 ponytails, it would not have been this voluptuous. I have some definition, which I told you guys I don't know, I usually need a gel to get my curls to really get defined and, you know, pop, but y'all see that? Y'all see that? Like, this is my problem area anyway. Like, it's not as much curl clumpage and definition up in the front area. Like right here in the front, it's more bushy, but I'm okay with that. So yeah, it is possible. It is possible. Now I know it's possible for me to do a wash and go without a gel, as long as the products are hitting, and these products were hitting. So I'll just share my final thoughts on the oil and the shampoo, since those are the ones that I used for the first time. And definitely check out my other video if you're curious about the styling cream and the leave-in. So with the oil, what can I say? It's an oil, you know? It's lightweight. It's not weighing my hair down or anything, so that's always a plus. It's not, like when I touch my hair, it's not giving me a lot of grease. Like my face is showing up more greasy than my hand is. Okay, so yeah, it's an oil. It's a nice oil. It had like, I feel like it smells like it has peppermint or tea tree or something like that in it, because you can smell that the most when you smell it. But yeah, it's a nice oil. It works really well with the rest of the line. I have no complaints about the oil. I used a little, so it didn't take much. Didn't use much the first time around. The shampoo, The shampoo. I really like the shampoo. Again, I didn't use, that's kind of, the light brown is what just happened when I shook it. But it's sitting like right here. I didn't use much. I washed my hair twice. I don't usually wash my hair twice, but I washed my hair twice this go around, and it did not take much. This shampoo is really concentrated. I can tell just by the way that, I mean, you guys saw. It didn't take much for it to produce a lather, and it left my hair feeling nice and clean and clarified. My scalp was nice and clean. So yeah, I think I have a new clarifying shampoo. Like, I'm definitely gonna reach for this one. It does what it says it's gonna do, and that's, I mean, what you want from a shampoo, right? All in all, I am a fan of Melanin Haircare. I'm so glad that I have been able to pick up everything that she has made so far. I have just about everything, and I can't wait to see what other products that she adds to the collection. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave down below any questions that you might have about the products that I use or how I styled my hair. All in all, I ain't got no complaints. None. My hair looks gorgeous.